Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to view sales reports in Zoho Books. This feature allows you to analyze your business performance by tracking sales data across customers, items, and sales personnel, giving you the insights you need to make informed decisions. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the sales data you want to review. After logging in, look at the left sidebar and click on the Reports tab. This is your central hub for accessing all financial reports in Zoho Books. Here, you'll find various categories of reports organized by type, making it easy to locate exactly what you need. Now scroll down to the Sales section. This is where all your sales-related reports live. You'll see several options here, including sales by customer, sales by item, sales by salesperson, and sales summary. Each of these provides different perspectives on your sales data, so choose the one that best fits the information you're looking for. Once you've selected your report type, you'll need to specify the date range. Zoho Books offers preset options like this month, last quarter, or this year, but you can also enter specific custom dates if you need a more tailored view. This flexibility ensures you're analyzing exactly the time period that matters to your business. Next, you can apply additional filters to customize your report further. Look for options like category, department, or tags. These filters help you drill down into specific segments of your sales data, making your analysis more precise and actionable. After setting your parameters, click the Run Report button. The system will generate your report based on the criteria you've selected. Take a moment to review the displayed data for accuracy and to gather insights into your sales performance. This is where you'll spot trends, identify top performers, and understand customer behavior. If you need to save or share the report, click Export at the top right corner of the screen. You can download it as a PDF, Excel, or CSV file, depending on your needs. Alternatively, if you need a physical copy, simply click Print to send the report to your printer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.